Hi, I'm Teacher Zarina. Welcome to Earth and Life Science, Alternative Delivery Mode module on unifying themes of the study of life. And I am here to guide you all throughout this topic. Before we start in this lesson, let's find out the objectives of this topic. Number 1, name the unifying themes in the study of life. Number 2, describe the unifying themes illustrated. 3, give details on how this theme serves as the foundation in the study of biology. And 4, value life by taking good care of all beings, human, plants, and animals. Earth is the home of human beings and organisms, including animals, plants, and microorganisms. They are found in different parts of the said planet. The ecosystem, the biological communities, include living organisms like animals, plants, insects, and bacteria, as well as the non-living components like the rock, soil, water, and sunlight. The non-living things are classified as inanimate objects that may influence or alter or impact the life of biotic factors. These abiotic factors are essential to biotic factors in various ways. The field of science that deals with the study of life is in life science or biology. It involves different disciplines. These disciplines are connected to one another, through which the biologists termed as unifying themes. Unifying themes in the study of life. So these are the 10 unifying themes in the study of life or in biology. 1, emergent properties. 2, the cell. 3, the heritable information. 4, structure or function. 5, interaction with the environment. 6, regulation. 7, unity and diversity. 8, evolution. 9, scientific inquiry. 10, the science, technology, and society. The unifying theme connects the different subdisciplines that makes biology as science. In addition to, the living organisms differ from non-living organisms in various aspects. What are these shared properties of living organisms that make something alive? First is all levels of life have system of related parts. This system is an organized group of interacting parts. These are: a cell is a system of chemicals and processes. It is the basic unit of life. A body of system includes organs that interact, and ecosystem includes living and non-living things that interact. Structure and functions are related in biology. The structure determines function, and the structure is the shape of the object. The function is the object's specific role. Next is organisms must maintain homeostasis to survive in diverse environments. Homeostasis is the maintenance of constant internal conditions, and all living organisms must live in stable environment. Evolution explains the unity and diversity of life. Evolution is the change in living things over time. The genetic makeup of population of a species changes. It accounts for both the diversity and the unity of life. Traits are being inherited and transferred. The continuity of life depends on inheritance of biological information in the form of DNA molecules. The genetic information is encoded in nucleotide sequences of the DNA. Organisms reproduce. It is a necessary part of living process of making more of one's own kind. Organisms are interdependent with one another. Organisms have evolved to live and interact with other organisms. Ecology deals with the interactions of living organisms with one another and their environment. Organisms acquire and process energy. Living organisms use a source of energy for their metabolic activities. Some living organisms capture the light energy and convert it into chemical energy in food. Some living organisms use chemical energy stored in molecules obtained from food. In addition to the properties mentioned, the two unifying themes in the study of life include the scientific inquiry and science, technology, and society. Scientific inquiry, the process of science includes observation-based discovery and testing of explanations through hypothetic deductive. Scientific credibility depends on the repeatability of observations and experiments. While science, technology, and society, these are technologies, are goal-oriented applications on science. The relationship of science and technology to society are now more crucial to understand than ever before. In summary, the understanding how life came about is a deep scientific undertaking. Organisms, functions, structures, growth, and origin are indeed one of many diverse topics that should be explored to grasp two complexities of life. Generally, the following statement provide key concepts on the unifying themes in study of life. Number 1 is biology is about the study of life. 2, the unifying themes connect to different sub-disciplines that make up biology as science. 3, the unifying themes of biology comprise the cell theory as description of living systems, continuity of life, interdependence of function and structure, evolution, unity of living system, and the properties that arises from the organization of life. Number 4, the living organisms are composed of cells as what was discussed in the cell theory. The cell theory is the foundation of our understanding of reproduction and growth of organisms. 5, the continuity of life is best explained by the molecular basis of inheritance. Heredity, which is continuity of life from one generation to the next, is dependent on correct copying of cells' DNA into daughter cells. 6 is the function and structure are interdependent. 7, the evolutionary change give rise to diversity of life. Living organisms are dependent on its environment, which consists of non-living organisms. Living organisms also interact with other living organisms. Number 9, biotic factors or the living things are defined by a set of characteristics including the ability to reproduce, grow, move, and ability to adapt to its environment. They need food, water, and other abiotic factors for their growth and development. 10 is abiotic factors are inanimate objects, which include rocks, water, weather, and other living things present in environment. 11 is biological systems are organized. 12, the study of biology is important. It enables us to make appropriate decisions in life. Failure to grasp biology concepts lead into inappropriate decisions. 13, and the last one must value life by taking good care of all beings, humans, plants, and animals. For you to organize your learnings in biology, please don't forget these 10 unifying themes in study of life science or biology. These 10 concepts will help you organize your ideas or thoughts in studying biology.